Is debt bad? Is there such a thing as good debt? It's complicated.
This is Lessons from the Book of Money, Episode 5, Making Debt Work for You.
Debt might sound like a scary word, but it's the mortgage that helps someone buy their first home, the car that gets you to work on time, the student loan that helps start a career, or at the very least gives you a fancy degree worth framing. The key to making debt work for you isn't avoiding it, but learning how to use it right. So, how do you make sure you're borrowing responsibly? Well, good debt is debt that's manageable, fits in with your budget, and funds something that adds value to your life. Bad debt is, well, the opposite. It's when you're borrowing money without even being sure that you can afford it. For example, taking a loan out on a whim or using buy now, pay later to fund a lifestyle that's way out of your wallet's league. So, before you type in your card details, ask yourself these questions. Could I tweak my budget or save up instead? Can I pay the money back on time? Will this add value to my life? It's all about being responsible and having a plan to reach your goals. The key to making debt work for you isn't avoiding it, but learning how to use it right. Want to learn more? Go to the Book of Money by Monzo now.